Dear students, we discussion about the topic. First, we have to long back. The 1 month I have some personal work cannot be started for any videos. So today is my reopened my videos. Okay, this topic is justice. We have to first you will like and share the subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much, dear students. We have to understanding to what about the jurisdictions and justice. What about the justice? First, dear students, we very most important topic is there in social and your UPSC CBSE syllabus also we covered in this topic. Okay, justice mean once upon a time that time have ruling the kings. The king have one jurisdiction there. The example, the king have one jurisdiction. King have one jurisdiction there. Jurisdiction mean the belongs to area. Which area we can king ruling that area is a like that jurisdiction. That jurisdiction is king. We can form the one rules. What the rules is like that acts. Rules can any exemptions there. Rules can any exemption there. The act is no exemption there. Act mean no no exemptions. That everybody citizen in living in that area of the king ruling that area, the area is a like that jurisdiction there. The jurisdiction is two type of jurisdiction there. One territory jurisdiction. Territory jurisdiction means the king ruling the power which area in this area to in that area is there. Basically ruling the area is a territory jurisdiction one there. Another is a pecuniary jurisdiction. Pecuniary means we have the financial jurisdiction. Suppose 100 rupees is theft to one person to another person, that complaint we can going to given in complaint king. No, this is simply any soldier we can give the complaint. That is like that jurisdiction. Pecuniary jurisdiction mean we have to money jurisdiction there, financially jurisdiction there. Okay, right. The justice we have to most important is the justice there. It's a two grounds there. One ground is the state jurisdiction there. Second is a central jurisdiction there. Central jurisdiction we can given in Parliament of bill acts. We can created the acts. That act we can be every Indian citizen. We can compulsory mandatory can follow the rule, follow the act. The act can violation of any citizen. We can take in action for the judiciary system and police system. That is there. One more important is the civil and criminal. Civil mean any immovable property. Immovable property mean what is the immovable property? The house, land is the immovable property. Movable property, what about that beta? Movable property is the mobile, bicycle, bike, cell phone mobile is a movable property. Movable mean one place to transfer to other place. That is movable property. Immovable property we can construct in only one place. We never shifted to another place. That is a immovable property. That immovable property is a civil justice, civil right and civil compensation and civil case can claim we can only immovable properties there. Okay, we can clarify the civil what about immovable property, any construction of the houses. Suppose example one construction house there, that land can dispute to one person to another person there, we can find that case is a like that civil case. Okay, next thing criminal case. Criminal mean can any theft, assault, any fighting or anything etc. There are all also be criminal cases. What about type? Injuries to another person, one ground. Second is any movable property. We can theft the bicycle, we can theft the motorcycle, we can theft the mobile, we can theft the any gold ornaments, anything. That is like that as criminal jurisdiction. Okay, that's two type of the jurisdiction there, civil jurisdiction and criminal jurisdiction. We both of the civil and criminal given in justice beyond the law. What type of law? Example, state government in assembly can we can any new acts there. That time is 1985 in N.T. Ramarao one act can introduce the assembly. maximum all acts we can introduce the central government in parliament. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha majority can introduce the new acts, new acts there. That act can be follow the judiciary system. Justice who given? Judiciary system. In before the judiciary system, before the jurisdiction, which king can make the law? Which king is make the law? That king we given in punishment. Okay, that king ruling is different there. Afterwards British rule is there. British rule is Roman laws there. British maximum 400 years we can ruling the India. The Britishers we can create the Roman laws. The Roman laws we can favor of the Britishers. That Roman law also we given in justice also. Justice how to given depending of the act. Such act book there. That act can beyond the act we given in the justice. That is we most important we have act is like that mandatory. We are all citizens for equal in before the law. All citizens equal in the before of the law. All citizen can implementation the act is there. That is act is there. Act can be jurisdiction there, state jurisdiction and central jurisdiction there, and police station jurisdiction there. Suppose example one theft can done from the Karimnagar. Whereas the complaint Karimnagar, which located that theft, that nearby police station we given in complaint. That is jurisdiction there. We simply we can understanding to what about we have to where is your place we can theft or any fighting or any occurred any mistake there, anything we can lost there, that area local area jurisdiction we go and given in complaint, that is jurisdiction there. Like that a state jurisdiction and central government jurisdiction there. The central acts IPC, CRPC, CPC, all acts we can be central acts there. That way any state we can implementation the mandatory that we introduce the central government. That is central acts mean we all state can implementation that act. Okay, act is mean we can easily understand mandatory. Any city Indian citizens we can compulsory a mandatory provision is act there. Justice mean we two type of justice there, civil justice and criminal justice. Justice we given in two types of civil mean what is a land, any house is there, immovable properties is like that civil. Criminal mean we have to any movable properties or harm the any human body, that is criminal. We have given justice for the under the beyond the act and law. The act and law we can how to create it law, act and law. The parliament is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha 2/3 majority. Then after the introduce the act can enforce the act. That act can implementation of the justice. Okay, thank you so much. We can everybody we can support the my videos. Thank you so much.